How you guys doing today? It's Justin Savage here at Total Value RV. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys the ePro E19 QB. Today, first thing we're going to start out as, if you look here on the side, we're going to have a nice frameless windows here that are going to open up to allow you to open your windows up when it's raining. It's going to allow you to have that nice breeze coming in still. Next thing we're going to look at here is your big pass-through storage area. As you can see underneath it, you have all your aluminum framing. It's going to make for a nice light construction. You're also going to have a magnetic strip here, so you're not going to worry about those latches breaking or cracking anymore or falling down on top of your head. On the outside, the ePro is vacuum laminated bonded, which is going to make for a nice hard construction throughout the whole trailer. It's going to be on the roof, the slides, and the walls. You do have the Torflex axles as well, which does come with an 8-year warranty on it. So it's just going to make for a nice product all the way around. It does come standard with the aluminum frames as well. And you guys are going to have a nice grill here, that hooks up down here below. And you're stepping up in here, up into the ePro. As you can notice here, we're going to have a nice lock system here. What this is going to allow you to do is, you can put all your keys, all your valuables in there, lock it up, go down to the lake, enjoy the water, go fishing, whatever you guys plan on doing for that day. You're also going to have a nice sturdy hand grip here, which is going to allow for easy access. Also, which does come with the ePro, which is a very nice feature that MotorRide does now. It's going to be nice, easy, very light, very stable when you're walking in. You're not going to get that bounce or shake. Some key features here to mention on top of the ePro. What you're going to see is on the back, you're going to have your max air vent. What that's going to do is allow you to have your fan open while it's raining. Also, we're going to have a 360 siphoning vent, which is going to help eliminate some of the black water odors. You're also going to have your 13.5 BTU AC unit on top, which is going to instantly cool down your trailer on a hot summer day. Another feature to point out, you're going to have your solar panel, which is also going to help trickle charge your batteries. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, you can also buy an extra one if you were to go longer days for dry camping. You're also going to have your TV antenna up front as well. There's these drains right here. And what's nice about that is you're going to have the nice curved roof on the back. You can see it real nice. It's going to have that runoff. So you're not going to have those black smudges that come down from all the water stains or whatever you guys have going on. A nice feature to point out from the back is what you guys can get here on this ePro. It's the Furion backup camera. That's going to help you guys backing up, whether you guys can't see what's behind you or you just want to see what's behind you when you're going down the road traveling. Also guys, what we have here is we have a nice outdoor shower. You can wash off the sand if you guys are at the beach, or if you're a little dirty from playing outside, the kids or whatever. Got the nice outdoor shower, you're not going to get the inside of your trailer dirty. You have your cable and satellite hookup right here. You're going to have your 30 amp hookup, which is going to be marine grade water sealed, so you're not going to get any insects or bugs inside of there. You're not going to have to worry about it. Underneath, you're going to have your waste and water cooking tanks. And like I said earlier guys, the walls and the slides are going to be vacuum laminated, so it's going to make for a nice, light, solid construction. Better than that stick and tin trailer is what they used to come out with. Alright, now we're going to be on the other side of the ePro. A couple of features I mentioned on this side is, up front, you're going to have your radio antenna. Those two black little receivers up top there, that's going to be your Wi-Fi Ranger. You're also going to come with the kayak rack here on the ePro, and you also have a nice little sunroof here, or skylight. On this side as well, we do have the frameless windows, and you have a nice storage area right here, which again has the magnet strips, so you're not going to have to worry about those latches breaking on you guys anymore. We're going to have your water heater here on your ePro, and also we're going to have your city water and gravity fed system. The difference between these two is, if you're at a campground, what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to screw in your hose here, and that's just going to pressurize it and you're going to have water run like that. If you don't have that option and you're going to be dry camping, what you can do is you run the gravity filled system here, and that's just going to fill your tanks up, and then when you need to run your pressure, you have it there. As you can see here, we're going to have our other side of our pass-through storage. There's the grill that's going to be coming with you guys' ePro when you purchase it. Again, you can see that we're going to have the magnet on this side as well. Again, it's going to help the latches not breaking. If it does get cold outside, you know, they do crack with high heat and cold. Coming around the front of the ePro, what we're going to have here is we're going to have your rock guard here in the front. And what that's going to do is just going to protect the fiberglass front of your ePro. So it's going to protect the chips, cracks, or wear and tear, whatever you guys are going to have on it. Also, a nice feature to point out here is the front glass is going to be laminated. And what that's going to do is if a rock comes up and hits it, it's not going to chip, it's not going to crack. It's going to stay nice and fresh the whole time. Also, what you're going to have here on your ePro is you're going to have your powered tongue jack as well. What that's going to do is it's going to be real nice when you're going to dock or take off your trailer from your hitch or whatever you guys are planning on doing. You're also going to have a nice docking light here as well, so if you're doing it at night, you're not going to have a problem seeing. Also, what we're going to have here is a nice 4-mount bike rack that does come with the ePro. And you're also going to have standard with your 2 LP20 bottles, and it does come with a battery as well, 2 battery spots as well there. For all you people that like dry camping and all those nice features, what ePro does here is they have a solar panel option. What you can do is, all you do, you go to our store here, you can buy a solar panel, plugs in right there, and what that's going to do is it's going to charge you 2 batteries, so you can run your refrigerator for 45 days if you guys like dry camping. Now let's take a look inside. Here in the ePro, this trailer does sleep 4. This is rated for 2 people here. It's going to fold down into a nice sleeping area. You have your nice queen size bed here in the back. You're going to have nice over-the-head storage that's on top of your bed. Also, your unit's going to be coming with a Furrion 24-inch size TV. Coming in inside the coach here, we're going to be talking about your nice flat screen LED 12-volt TV. A good feature about this is you can run it off your batteries, so you don't have to be plugged in on shore. Also, what you're going to have up top here is going to be your control center. You're going to have your aux, your AV, HDMI, or AM, FM, and also a USB plug-in. And that's going to run off 12-volt as well. Another feature to point out here is you're going to have your Wi-Fi Ranger. And all you have to do is click it on, click it off. We're going to have a nice sized storage area above the refrigerator here. You can store your plates, cups, spices, whatever you guys decide to bring when you're camping outdoors. You're also going to have a very nice sized refrigerator that does come with the ePro. It's going to come with a nice freezer on top here. And you're going to have your refrigerator down below. Another upgrade to this unit is you're going to have your convection oven, so it's going to cook 50% faster, and it's going to give you guys a little bit of browning when you cook something. Since space is limited inside the ePro, what they did here is they have a nice glass panel over your 3-burner stove. And what this is going to do is going to allow you to have a little bit more serving area here when you got people coming in and outside your trailer. You're also going to have your fan above it, and also a light switch if you want to see what you're doing. You're going to have a nice stainless steel sink here. So you can wash dishes, you can wash, you can rinse, whatever you guys decide to do. And have a little bit of storage above the sink as well. Coming below here, you're going to have some more storage. You can put silverware, dish soap, all your cleaning supplies that you're going to need as well. It's going to have a nice little bottle opener here, which is going to be a nice little feature. Not a lot, but everything helps. Coming into the bathroom here, new to Flagstaff is going to be the AquaView shower miser system. And what this is going to do is, instead of wasting all your fresh water and filling up your gray water tanks, all you're going to have to do is you're going to have to close this valve right here, turn the water on, and what that's going to do is it's going to run your water through your pipes until it gets warm to 93 degrees. And once it hits that, this blue PVC is going to turn white, and that's how you know you have hot water. You're also going to have nice storage behind the toilet next to your shower, so you can store towels or soap or sunscreen. You're also going to have your nice medicine cabinet with the 360 siphon fan here. It is a 4-function fan, so that's going to help pull any of those odors that comes from your black water tanks out. Coming around here to the side, you're going to have your solar panel gauge monitor here. What that's going to do is going to tell you your levels, how much power you're pulling out from the sun, and it's giving you an overall reading. Also, you're going to have your power station here, which is going to have your water pump feature. It is heated with gas and electric for your water. It's going to have your tank heater, your slide in and out, and your awning extend. Alright, thanks for following me around the ePro here today on a nice Monday sunny day. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at totalvaluerv.com. Thanks and have a great day.